friends. Day tripping again. Today we're in San Diego County over at Coronado Island. So we're gonna check it out. The hotel is right behind me right here. Just take a look around, see what we can find, as well as the surrounding areas. But first, we're gonna grab a quick bite to eat because coming down here from LA takes about 2 to 3 hours depending on traffic. So definitely we came hungry and we're looking for some good food, and I know just the place, so let's head over there first. Outdoor dining. Check it. Now let's head on and explore around and see what we can find. things I love about living in California is walking along the coast. Especially when you need to relax, just decompress from the week. Very grateful and blessed. Someplace and grab a bite to eat nearby and then probably just call it a night. But it was a good day overall, just relaxing by the beach. And now to chow down. There you have it, our day trip to Coronado Island. It is within the San Diego County, so it is 2 hours south of Los Angeles, but definitely worth the trip down as there are many places there to visit as well. I will put the places that we went to today in the description, so if you want to check those out if you're ever in the area, you can definitely do so. thank you so much once again for joining me. I hope you had a really good time. If you do like this video and want to see more just like it, do give this one a thumbs up, subscribe, and definitely leave me a comment. Let me know what you think or suggest places you'd like me to visit. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.